Magandang hapon na. Kasi tanghali na dito sa amin ngayon. And today is Friday. Kasusundo ko lang kay Mishka sa kanyang school. And then pinakain ko siya ng lunch. Tumawag si Abe na today pala, every Friday is their market day here in Madikeri. So meron daw ditong marketplace na every Friday doon pumupunta yung mga vendors, tas naglalako ng kanilang mga paninda. So we are just waiting for him. He's coming home for lunch and then idadrop niya kami doon sa market area. And then pabalik kami na lang ni Mishka, dalawa yung uuwi dito sa bahay. It's 1:30. Nung market daw is hanggang mamayang gabi pa naman. So I'm ready with my market bags. Bibili lang naman ako ng mga gulay or kung anong mga prutas yung makita ko doon. Mishka is ready. And yung gusto niyang suotin is pink dress for market day. Pink dress siya. Mimi, you wanna drink water? Drink water, Danay, oh. And the weather is so good today. Natuyo yung mga sinampay ko kahapon. So ngayon nilagay ko yung mga hindi pa natuyo na andito sa kabilang kwarto. Habang naghihintay pa ako kay Abdi, pwede ba akong makapagbalis ng sahig? Throw in the garbage for me. You're helping mommy.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, I'm mine,
yung market, guys. Umalis na si Abby, kami na lang ni Mishka. So look what to buy.
Tawal.
Are you happy? corn. This one. How much? How much?
Half kilo 50. Half kilo.
Half kilo. Pachas.
Back.
Give auntie. This one. How much? No, Mimi. No. How much?
Half kilo 50. Half kilo 40 तक कर देता है 40 half kilo 40.
They're buying vegetables. Meron silang bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots. How much?
40 रुपए.
40. Meron din palang gabi, oh. We'll buy lemon. There's lemon, ah. Let me hear. Bili tayo ng sweet corn. This one. Mishi, here. Here. Mimis. Wait lang. Meron din pala dito sa ground floor. Doon kami galing sa taas. Tapos dito meron din pala. Maghanap kami ng mabibili pa namin. Hold mommy's hand, love. Here. Hold mommy's hand. Meron lang dried fish. They have dried fish. Dried fish. Wait. They have dried fish. Wait, love. Come here this side, Mish. Nakabili ako ng ano guys, sap-sap. Don't sleep, Mishi, ha? Very near lang. Ito yung aming mga nabili. Ayan. Nakatulog si Mishka pagdating namin, guys. Ngayon natin ilabas yung ating mga pinamili. Patola. I got 1 kilo mango. Beetroot. And because rainy season dito ngayon sa Madikeri, guys, uso ang tambo or bamboo shoot. So, ayan. Bumili ako. Kasi plano ko magluto. Hindi ako marunong magluto. I-YouTube natin yan. Pero bumili ako ng aking mga ingredients. Meron kaming sitaw. Oh my gosh. Fresh ng kanilang sitaw. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung presyo nito. Basta yung binayaran ko kay ate is $2.20 para dito sa sitaw, patola, okra, and carrots, and beetroot. So ito yung aking okra. Ito din yung carrots. Kalahating kilo ata ito. And ito yung gusto ni Mish kakainin na watermelon. Ito. Yun nga, dahil magluluto ako ng bamboo shoot, bumili ako coconut. Tapos yung sweet corn, yung isang piraso is 10 rupees. So, dahil mahilig si Mishka sa sweet corn, yung iniisip ko lang is para kay Mishka. Pero naalala ko, habang pinapatulog ko siya, pwede ko din pala itong gamitin sa aking tambo. Tapos guys, nakabili ako ng sapsap. Tuyo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag sa Tagalog ng sapsap. Pero sa Negros, ito yung sapsap namin na tuyo. Alam niyo itong isda na to. So, ano to? 250 grams. 70 rupees. Tapos, lemon. So, ito lang naman yung mga pinamili ko doon. Ngayon, gusto na ng aking anak na kumain ng watermelon. So, ito yung ibibigay ko sa kanya na snack sa hapon. Give me that plate. Put it here. Wow.
Look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine, oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when spinning out of
Meron pala siyang star, guys. Where is your star? Ganun na. Meron siyang star, bigay ng teacher. And the other day, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero meron silang ginawa. I'm not sure if tumulong sila gumawa or yung teacher lang gumawa tapos binigay sa kanila nung uwian na. And she's very happy to show me. Mommy, mommy! Gumagana din. What is this all about? Camera. Super proud talaga siya nung lumabas sa school, guys, na meron siyang bit-bit na ganito. So proud of him. Marami din akong mga araw na hindi ako nagpa-vlog kasi medyo delayed nga tayo. So marami ding mga araw na hindi ako nagpa-vlog talaga hanggang sa maubos natin yung pending na vlog. Wow, it's so big. And we are still, you know, adjusting dito sa bahay. Nag-arrange pa din ako, naglilinis-linis. So, medyo nakakapagod. Pero carry lang. Again, thank you for understanding sa ating mga ganap sa life ngayon. What happened? There's seed. The white seed is okay. You can eat that.
No.
Why? Kaninang umaga, the weather was sunny and bright and mainit-init. Buti na lang umuwi kami agad ni Mishka from the market kasi after nun, nagsimula na namang umulan. You don't like?
No, it is one.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. It's sweet.
No.
It's yummy. started preparing for dinner sana. I'm planning to cook alu parata. So, nagpa-boil na ako dyan ng patatas. Pero sabi ni Aki, busog daw siya. And medyo busog din ako. Maghahanda lang naman talaga sana ako para sa kanya, para sa dinner niya. And then, meron pa naman kaming mga leftover na pagkain na niluto ko kanina. So, yun, pwede na yun kay Mishka. So, yung alu parata sana is para sa aming dalawa. Kaya, busog daw siya. Busog din ako. So, postpone yung pagluto ko ng alu parata. Bukas na lang ng umaga. Hinihintay ko na lang na kumulo yung patatas. Maganda din na hindi pala kami magluluto tonight. Kasi sumasakit yung aking ulo guys. Kapatapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. Okay. Go, you can come. You can pass by this side. Okay, then slowly, slowly. Good job.
I'll take these lovely socks and pretty things.
It fell down. It's not almost fall down. Please, Daddy, did you bless Daddy? Bless Daddy. Daddy, she will do for now. Love and bless Daddy, bless. You have to eat food first. Sanda lang bell puri because it's Friday today. So, ano namin ngayon guys, movie night. I want vegetables. Wow, where's the other one here? Ang liliit ng mga mangga ngayon.
इतना मुझे चाहोगे तुम इतना प्यार करोगे तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम
Wow.
Watching my phone and now she's watching kebab also. When she will get bored, she will watch kebab and when she will get bored, she will come here.
There is watermelon there that you want to eat.
ऑफिस से आने के बाद आई एम मेकिंग भेल पूरी वी आर नॉट गेटिंग भेल पूरी हियर बट हल्दीराम भेल पूरी सो आई गॉट सम राइस पफ्स व्हाट वी कॉल इन एट आवर प्लेस फरही और भुंजा इन पटना वी कॉल इट भुंजा ऑल्सो सो आई गॉट सम भुंजा एंड वी हैव सम मिक्सचर्स and I have that sonf ka chutney, so I think that will be perfect combination for making Bihari style jhal muri. Actually we call it jhal muri. Bihar, UP, but mostly in Bengal also they like to have jhal muri, so I am making jhal muri. And do we have boiled potato?
Boiled potato, yes. The pressure cooker, black one.
Perfect. Boiled potato भी है, आलू भी डाल सकते हैं इसमें. Boiled potato भी है.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away.
On the job.
I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to
Kachamari chutney and
imagine
samosa
what it's
chutney.
like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Perfect.
In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like
ये कैसे बोल सकता हूँ?
and even
करुआ
when
तेल.
I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that. Look at
कटोरा बड़ा कटोरा में सर्व करते हैं. अपनी बेटर हाफ को. हाँ.
Thank you very much.
Try. You are also eating.
Wanna try?
Granny Pig is covered in
How's it, Bella?
Mummy Pig has come to pick up Nella and George.
Good for me, spicy for her. Spicy? Water.
One more potato.
Come on, baby.
When you come home, the house is weekend and it's like cozy kind of thing. The house is like clean house.
I have mopped the floor.
Yeah.
Say movie night. Peppa Pig night.
Ganpudiya night.
Movie night. Give me my water now.
This will watch.
We were watching this trailer when we were still in Bangalore. Now we're going to watch the movie here in Madikeri.